Good morning, children. The lesson today is how to make a crossword puzzle. So let me share to you the work, how to do it. First, you open Excel and you copy this one, the lesson, making a crossword puzzle. So you can type the across and down there. Type across and type the riddle. The riddle. Number one is slow and small. Number three, just type how it is. No? If you want to make your own crossword puzzle, why not? Down. Number two is shelter. What is it? So when you say riddle, you're going to guess what is it. You know? Sunny side up, and then five is one. So as you can see, the answers are here also. Number one across is ant. So you have to type the answer cell by cell. Why one? Because it says here one across, no? So one across is going straight horizontal like that. So the answer is ant. So type the word cell by cell, letter by letter, or letter by letter, cell by cell. A and T. And as you can see, there's a number two in or before letter T because it says here, two down is shelter. So before two, T, you type 2, referring to this shelter, then the answer is 10. You know? T, E, N, T. There. And then the next one is crackle, which is peanut. Connect that to letter N. Peanut. And then you have to type 3 first, then letter P. Peanut. There. See, 3 across, peanut. P-A-A-N-U-T. And then number 5 is 1. Type before the letter 5T. The answer is 2. After 1 is 2. Okay? And then, you see number 4 there, sunny side up. So you type 4 before E. The answer actually is egg. Okay? Sunny. Sunny, that's the shape, the how it looks like the egg when it's fried. It's like a sun, sunny, no? Sunny side up. That's an egg, fried egg. And then the last one, which is work, connect it here with letter O. 6T. Toil. Because toil means work. All right? So you're done copying and typing the riddles and the answers with the corresponding numbers it represents. You highlight them now. Don't highlight the blank ones. Do not do that. Only those with the answers and the letters. Okay? And then click all borders. Click this button and click all borders. And after putting all the borders, you highlight the cells which are not being used and, and then you shade it or paint it black. Okay? As simple as that. Paint it black. Those cells that are not used, just paint it black. Okay? There. Shade it black. Just shade it black. Shade it black. Just shade it black. After shading it black, the last thing you're going to do is to erase the answers. So only the numbers will appear. Okay. Erase the letters. Only the answers remain. Yeah. Erase all the letters. Only the numbers will appear. Yeah. Okay. Okay, there. The point doesn't show. Only the numbers come. Okay, that's it. That's the riddle and the crossword puzzle. You're done. I hope you can do this so easy, isn't it? I hope so. And I hope you can do this fast and send your work when it's done as soon as possible. Okay.